Part 2 of the puppy.
Oh, you're so cute, little pup.
You shouldn't play with that pup.
I'm gonna talk to the voice in my mind. Why?
He's dangerous.
How come she's just a little puppy? Come on, let's show.
And this is well. I'm great. Dance. You're gonna see a thumbs up. Thumbs up this video, cause you know you like me, puppy. Oh, that puppy. If you hear that, that's my other puppy. We're going to fight one day, and he's gonna lose. Woo! Well, anyways, I'm gonna put them in my graveyard. I just concussioned them. They're like, you know, it's a little puppy, okay? And I do that because nobody likes me. So I make people like me. Bye-bye. Have a great day. And don't let the puppies bite.